Hey y'all, I'm back with a cute casual outfit of the day. It was raining and I was like, baby, I don't want to put on nothing real cute. Just want to be cute. So I got on this tank from H&M, a cardigan from Target, some jeans from Lane Bryant, and I just love this rose gold. I'm calling it cute but a little bit of rose gold, and I got on some Sperry's that are so cute and so comfortable. I love how these pastel colors just came together in this outfit, and babe, I'm loving it. I like that you can tie the cardigan up, but of course I won't tie it up because I just want the curves to be out. And of course, y'all know I'm loving my curls, my hair, my Kennedy's curls. So if you need hair, check the description box. And of course, I'm still rocking my Steve Madden satchel. And baby, you can't tell me nothing. I am so feeling myself. I love the soft colors. These colors are so spring. So comment below and tell me if you all are loving this cute casual outfit that I wore to work. And I just thank y'all for watching and support.